Hello everyone, this is Pauline Angel from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, KARUNYA. In this video, I'm going to show you how to interface LCD with Arduino. So for this, I'm using an online simulator called Tinkercad. So here, as you can see, I have already built the circuit. So I'll just explain you how I did it. First, I placed an Arduino here, and then I placed a breadboard, and this is what we call an LCD. So I placed this LCD on the breadboard, and after that I did the connections. So let's see how to do the connections. First, I have connected the ground of the LCD. Here you can see the first one is a ground of the LCD. So I have connected this ground of the LCD to the ground of the Arduino. This is ultimately connected to the ground of the Arduino. And then the next pin is the power pin. So power of the LCD is supplied by the Arduino. So I connected to the 5-volt power on the Arduino here. And then the next one is the contrast. This contrast pin and the read and write, we can connect these two pins to the ground of the Arduino. So in the middle we have another pin called register select. So register select and the next one is enable. These two pins we should it is mandatory to connect these two pins to 12 and 11 pin charges on the Arduino here. So this register select, I have connected it to the 12 pin charge on the Arduino, and this enable pin, I have connected it to the 11 pin charge on the Arduino. It is mandatory to connect them to 12 and 11 pins. So, and then coming to these 4 pins here, we are connecting these to the 4 pins here on the Arduino. These are also mandatory. We have to connect 5, 4, 3, 2 pins on the Arduino to these DB4, DB5, DB6 and DB7 pins on the LCD. So this DB4 is connected to the 5 pin charge on the Arduino, and DB5 pin is connected to the 4 pin charge, and likewise DB6 is connected to 3 pin charge here, and finally D2, this pin 2 on the Arduino is connected to the DB7 of LCD. And then this LED anode, which is going to display the LED which we are going to show on this LCD. This whatever we type, it is going to show us. So this LED anode, we are going to give it a power charge. So we have connected it to the 5-volt here on the Arduino. And then for an LED, we have to use a resistor. So I have connected this resistor to the ground here. It is ultimately connected to the ground of the Arduino. So this is how we connect this LCD and Arduino. So now for the coding part, I have first taken a library function called liquid crystal. So in liquid crystal library function, we should give all the pin charges which are connected on the Arduino, and then we can start the pin number. Here if you can see, this LED light is connected to the 16 number here, and it is ending with the 2 here. So we have given this begin 16 and end with 2, and then we have to print any whatever we want to print on the LCD. I have given this as this is IoT lab class. We can change it to any other thing. This is LCD experiment. So I have changed this like this. So it's our wish. We can give anything. So we have to remember that this this LCD has a limited space that has to be displayed for displaying. So we cannot print a lot of words in one sentence. So we have to divide it into two according to the LCD capacity that it can display. So first line for 00, I have used this only few words. This is LCD, and for the next line I have used experiment, only one word, because we don't have much space on the LCD board to display. So this is how we give the code, and then we can start simulation. See, this is LCD experiment. It has printed the one which we have given as a print function. This is LCD experiment. It has printed this LCD. So this is how we see the LCD interface using Arduino. Hope you understood this well. Thank you for watching and have a great day.